Hi, Joe. I want to go to lunch, and I can't wait an hour and a half.
I know, but you know what time it is? It's not lunchtime.
I know.
It's time to stretch some shoes.
I thought when you owned your own business, you got to do whatever you wanted to.
No,
It's
no,
not true at all.
no. I hate to tell you this, but you are correct with that. Okay, are you going to show me how
Yeah,
to stretch some
we're
shoes?
gonna go stretch some shoes.
Okay.
Okay. So, when you get ready to stretch. So these are really great. This is a shoe farm, and they're antique. I always get asked, people ask to buy them from me all the time because they're such nice quality. But basically, you're looking at the vamp of the shoe,
Yeah?
and you want to get something to match it as close as possible. Fits the size and whatever. I read the client's comments of what they need stretched, and then you would just turn it like this.
Ooh,
Nice.
awesome.
Yeah. So there are different ones. This one is for width. Then we have this one as a good example of, this is the instep of the shoe.
Uh-huh.
And this client was having a hard time getting her foot in here, so I put this one in there. So now I'm taking it out. See, now it's all nice and wide in here for her. She'll be able to slip her foot right in there.
Right. Now, how long will that last after you stretch it? Will it stay like that forever now?
It will. It'll stay like that.
Oh, nice.
But I usually, another question that I often get asked is how long does it take to stretch? And as you can see, it's we don't want to pull these things from the seams. I don't want to pull
Right.
the strap out from the seams because then I've now got to really glue the shoe. So I try to do it just slowly over time.
Uh-huh.
So this one's done.
So you don't like spray anything on there to help with the stretching or
You-
anything?
you
You just
can.
use the stretcher.
The magic formula it's called, the shoe stretch is actually 1 part alcohol and 9 parts water in a spray bottle. So
Oh.
it's an easy home remedy. And
Okay.
it won't stain the leather.
But if you spray water on the leather, then would you have to spray it on the entire shoe so it doesn't put a stain mark on it?
No, because you do it very gently. It's
Oh.
a spray bottle.
Okay.
Now this is another one. I love this little doohickey here. This is a bunion stretcher. Yeah, and this gal had a little problem right here. So even though it looks a little extreme,
Uh-huh.
once you put your foot in this little ball, see it's a ball and a ring.
Oh,
I don't know if you can see that.
yeah, I see it.
Yeah, and so even though it looks like this now, when she puts her foot in, it'll stretch out, right?
Uh-huh.
So this is a really handy tool. That I used this on, you were here, Joe, when that lady just picked up her dad's shoe.
Yes.
And she had a bunion problem, and so
Okay.
I used the same thing on her shoe, and she loved it, right? You couldn't even see that I had stretched it.
Yeah.
So,
Who knew there was such a thing as a bunion stretcher?
I know. Now this one's handy. I love this machine here. I'll just set these down. But this machine is cool because it stretches the width and the length of a shoe at the same time.
Uh-huh.
So that's pretty nice. I don't think we have anything to put on there right now, but quite a handy tool. Put these little things go on top of here.
Oh, okay.
Shoe slides in,
Uh-huh.
and then I usually stretch out so I can get this into the front of the toe box, and then it opens up like that.
Okay.
So that's quite handy.
Now, do you really think an average Joe like me can help you actually with stretching these shoes? Huh?
Absolutely, because you're a smart average Joe.
Okay. All right. You're going to have to help me with this project, you know. Okay?
Okay.
All right.
So Joe, you're gonna give this a try yourself now, right?
Are you sure you trust me? You want this stretched, right?
That's right.
Okay. So I'm going to pick one of these. I guess it's this little flat one that you were saying, yeah?
Yeah, that's a good one.
Okay. Put that in there and just, as I twist, it's just going to split this apart, huh?
That's right.
And that's all there is to this?
Yeah. You just want to do it slowly so you don't bust the shoe apart.
Okay. Are you going to get mad if I, like, break it?
No, you break it, you buy it.
Okay, so
No, where's shoe repair? We can fix it.
I can feel it getting kind of snug.
Yeah, that's really good there with your hands on it. You could feel the tension in there.
Ooh. I'm afraid I'm going to blow the seam out.
So when you stretch, it's always good to take your time and you just tweak it every couple of days so that it
Oh, I see.
slowly stretches the shoe.
I see. And how long do you think you would have this stretched?
I usually keep them on there about 5 days, and then I come in every other day and do a little tweaking on the shoe.
Okay. I think that's good.
Great.
Oh, I can slip it out, look.
Uh-oh. So close it back up again.
And push it in there. Do you think it's-
Exactly, and then you hold it a little bit tighter with your hand while it stretches.
Oh, okay. User error.
You're doing great. I wish all of my interns were this quick.
Is that what you call them? Oh, I can tell there.
There you go,
Okay.
yeah.
That feels better.
I know, it's kind of scary using somebody's shoe, isn't it?
Hey, I promise I won't take any business away from you. Okay, that feels pretty good.
Excellent.
Now I'm just gonna set that off to the side, huh?
Yeah.
How many shoes you have? Oh, okay, these here. And you always start. You said you always start with the right shoe. Why is that?
That's right. In case I don't have enough stretchers, since I go back every couple of days to adjust, I always know that the right shoe's gone first.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. And how many pairs of shoes you have for me to do?
Over there, you've got about 20.
Oh.
So,
Okay.
part of our big 132 pair batch.
Yes.
Nicely done, my friend.
Looking forward to helping you here.
Love it.
Well, it was a stretch, but all of these heels have been removed and ready for the next step. Yes, all of these shoes. All of these shoes. I've been busy. Ow! Ah, that should about do it.